Keto desserts. What do you eat for dessert on a keto diet? If you want to eat the healthy option, then fruit is a great way to start. You do have to be careful, as fruit does contain natural sugar. The best fruits to have for dessert are berries, such as blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Other great options for a keto dessert are fat bombs. These are great to eat after a meal, but can also be used as a filling snack. These keep hunger at bay in between meals. Fat bombs are mainly made up of nut butters, cream cheese, avocado, and/or coconut oil. A flavouring is then added to make them taste delicious. Coconut oil pops up in many keto desserts. This is good, as it has lots of health-boosting benefits. This includes fighting off bacteria. It also helps control blood sugar, reduce cholesterol, and is great for clear skin and shiny hair. When we think about dessert, we tend to think of tarts and pies. Unfortunately, these tend to be made with wheat flour, which is not permitted on the keto diet. So if you cannot do without your puds, you need to be creative. Luckily, there are other flours that you can use to make pie crust with. These include coconut and almond flour. When we are talking about dessert, there is always unsweetened cocoa, which can be used in muffins, brownies, and even cookies for yummy, chocolatey deliciousness. Desserts don't have to be sweet. There are lots of different cheeses out there just waiting to be tasted. Cheese is a great keto food. Plus, cheese goes really well with these keto crackers. When following the keto diet, it can be easy to eat too many calories, especially when you have a sweet tooth and like dessert. Having said that, if you wish to lose weight, you don't need to feel deprived as long as you eat desserts in moderation. Try having them as a treat once a week. Alternatively, just have a tiny taste to satisfy the craving. That wraps things up for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.